Good afternoon, I'm Sid Kapun reporting news from around the world. According to a telephone survey in 2010, 96% of all homes in the United States have at least one smoke alarm. Based on these results, almost 5 million households still do not have any smoke alarms. Smoke alarms are a key part of a home fire escape plan. When there is a fire, smoke spreads fast. Working smoke alarms give you early warning so you can get outside quickly. It cuts the chances of dying in a reported fire in half. Almost two-thirds of home fire deaths resulted from fire in homes with no smoke alarms or no working smoke alarms. The National Fire Protection Association is reminding us to make sure we have enough smoke alarms in our homes, test them monthly, and replace them every 10 years. Until next time, I'm Sid Kapun reporting news from around the world.